In this video, we're going to be practicing subtracting two-digit numbers. Some of the pages in your packet for this week have the word subtraction video 1 at the top. So you might be watching this to review before you do your work, which is awesome. So I'm going to think about a real life problem for this subtraction problem. Let's look at the subtraction problem I have on the board. I have 46 minus 14 equals some number. So let's think about if Miss Angela had 46 new pencils. Wow, that's a lot of pencils. She has 46. And she gives 14 of them away to her students. So she has 46 and she gives them away. Those are key words to know that the problem you're doing is a subtraction problem. You have to think about those key words. How many does she have now? Let's see. Right now, we're horizontal, but we want this problem to be vertical. So let's look at our tens and ones. Our place value helps us find the right way to line up our number. What place value is this? The ones and the tens. Over here, the ones and the tens. These are both two-digit numbers with tens and ones. Right here, I'm going to make a big ones place and a tens place. Now I have to make sure that I add the right places for the numbers, or I put them in the right column. So I have 4 tens and 6 ones. I have 1 10 and 4 ones. Those are the only digits in my problem. So I'm going to draw a line to show that I'm done. And then I need my math symbol, which is subtraction. 46 minus 14. 46 minus 14 equals. It's the same thing. It's just written horizontal, then vertical. Okay, where do we start? Well, first let's start by building with our base 10 blocks. How many tens do I need? 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. My 4 tens represent 40. How many ones do I need? 6. Be thinking right now, is 46 even or odd? Which place value are you looking at? Hopefully the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope you were thinking this number is even because I have partner, 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 or 2 equal groups of 3. It's a multiple of 2. If I count by 2s, I'm going to say the number 6. 2, 4, 6. All right, now we're ready to take away. Do I start in the tens place or the ones place? The ones place, very good. So 6 minus 4. Let's start by taking away 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many are left over? 2, very good. And I have 4 minus 1. 4 tens, and I'm taking away 1 10. How many are left? 3 tens. My answer represents 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Very good. And here's the 14 that I took away. Can you see? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. So how many pencils does Miss Angela have left? She has 32 pencils. So remembering that we always want to think about math like it's happening in our real life, let's make the problem that I wrote on the board into a story problem. The problem that I wrote is 55 minus 36 equals. So we could think about if I went to buy some things at the pulperia and I had 55 lempiras with me. Okay, so I have 55 lempiras. And all the things that I want to buy are 36 lempiras. I'm going to give my 55 lempiras to the person who is selling me the things, and I want to know how many lempiras am I going to get in my change, okay? So this problem is written horizontally, and we don't like that very much for subtraction. So we're going to change it to be vertical. So we are going to focus on our tens and ones. So I'm going to draw my tens and ones place around these. Tens and ones, tens and ones. Okay, now that I've seen that these is in the ones place, this is in the tens place, this is in the ones place, this is in the tens place, I can draw a big tens and ones. Now I'm ready to fill my numbers in. I have to make sure they stay in the same column. 5 tens and 5 ones, 3 tens and 6 ones. I'm going to draw my line to show that these are the only numbers in my problem, and I'm going to use subtraction symbol. Okay, where do I start in a subtraction problem? I hope you said the ones place, same as addition, same as multiplication. If you were doing a big multiplication, we're going to go to the ones place. So 5 minus 6. Pause, I forgot that I want to build using my base 10 blocks. So think about it, am I going to need to build both of these numbers? No, I only need to build 55 because that's representing the lempiras that I do have. So we will have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. How many ones do I need to represent this number? 5, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can see that this is an odd number because we have partner, 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 all by himself. So we have 1 by itself, meaning this is an odd number looking at the ones place. All right, now we're ready to start in the ones column. 5 minus 6. Oh, we have a problem. The number 6 is greater than the number 5. Let me try to take away 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no more to take away. What can I do? You might be thinking of a story I told you about. If I was making a cake but I didn't have enough eggs, what do I say? Miss Kylie, can I please have a 10? And Miss Kylie, who lives next door to me, she would say, of course. And she would give me 1 10 over here so that I have enough ones to take away. Let me represent what just happened. Do I have 5 10s anymore? No, I do not. Let me cross that out. How many 10s do I have now? 4 10s, okay. Now, do I only have 5 ones? Can this stay this way? No, I need to make a trade. I'm gonna trade it for 10 ones. 10 ones is the same as 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Okay. How many do I have now? This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I take the 1 that I took from here and I put it in front of the 5. Now are we ready to subtract 6 from 15? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 9 are left. Let's count how many to check our answer. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Now we have 4 minus 3. Can I take 3 away? Yes, I can. 1, 2, 3. I have 1 left. Okay, so let's think back to our original problem. I had 55 lempiras. All the things I'm buying at the pulperia cost 36. How many lempiras do I get back from the money that I paid? 19 lempiras is my change. We took it away. My answer in subtraction is always going to be smaller. It's the opposite of addition. Addition, my answer gets bigger. Subtraction, my answer gets smaller.